equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI MS16R4. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The MSI MS16R4 may experience battery issues, which can manifest as rapid drainage or failure to charge. This often occurs due to wear and tear or faulty connections. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, including potential damage to the motherboard. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery compatible with the MSI MS16R4. To begin, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage the casing. Once open, locate the battery, which is typically secured by screws. Carefully remove these screws with the Phillips screwdriver, and disconnect any cables attached to the battery. When replacing the battery, ensure the new one is correctly aligned and securely connected. Reattach the screws, applying gentle force to avoid stripping them. Before closing the device, double-check that all cables are properly connected and that no components are obstructing the back cover. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent future battery issues, consider using your laptop on a stable surface to avoid overheating and ensure regular software updates to optimize battery performance. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.